Hey guys, welcome to Hands-On Equations with me. I'm Sydney from Roar Middle School. And so, first we have our scale. And this right here in the scale equals an equal sign in an equation problem. And these sides are equal to each other and they are balanced. So, over here we have constants. This red 5 is a positive 5, and this green 5 is a negative 5. And together, they make a pair of 0, like this. And over here, we have a blue pawn and a white pawn. The blue pawn equals x, and the white pawn equals the opposite of x. And together, they make a pair of 0, like this. That's it. This is our first problem we are going to be working on today. So we have x plus 10 equals 3x plus 2. So we'll set this here, and then over here on our scale, I've already set this problem out, and right here is an equal sign. So on this side we have x plus 10 equals 3x plus 2. So first we are going to take these two away, but we have to use two hands so that we don't get confused. And we can only take these two away because they are the same thing on each side. If they were different, we wouldn't be able to take them away. So we'll take these away. And now that this 10 is alone, we need to get these two pawns alone. So we are going to add a negative 2 to each side. And again, we're using two hands. And we can't just add a negative 2 to this side without adding one to this side, because if we just added it to this side, we would unbalance the scale. So now, this equals a pair of 0, so we'll take that out. And now, we have a positive 10 and a negative 2. And two of these negatives cancel out two of these positives. So we can change this 10 to an 8. And then, we have 8 and 2 pawns left over. So 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So x equals 4. So the next problem we're going to solve is negative 10 plus x equals negative 3x plus 2. We're solving for x. So over here we have it set out. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to add two white pawns to each side. And we can do that because they're the same thing and we're using two hands to add it on. So now that these two are alone on the same side and they're a pair of 0, we can take them out. And now we're trying to get these pawns by themselves. So we have to get rid of this 2. So we can add a negative 2 to each side because I'm adding the same thing to each side. And these are opposites, so I can take them away because they are a pair of 0. So now we have a negative 12 equals negative 4x. So we're going to divide 12 by 4, or negative 12 by 4, and that equals negative 3. So the opposite of x would be negative 3 and x would be 3. So this is the last problem we're going to be doing today. We have a positive 5 plus x plus negative 3x equals 3x plus negative 2x plus negative 1. And the first thing we're going to do on this side is we have the two white pawns on each side, and they are the same, so we can take them both away using two hands. And now, since these two are on the same side and they're a pair of 0, we can take them out. And now, we're trying to get these 3 pawns alone on this side. So we have to get rid of this negative 1 by adding 2 positive 1s to each side, like this, because they are the same. And now these are a pair of 0, so we can take them out. So this equals a positive 6 equals 3x, and we have to divide 6 by 3, and we get 2. So x equals 2, and the opposite of x equals -2. Thanks for watching, all y'all from Sydney at Aurora Middle School. Click that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up with hands-on equations.